This video explains how to use BUPE Business Modeling Dashboard. This is available to the CEO of the company. BUPE lets your corporate team transform your business model with a view on different dimensions or business structures based on how the value is created. These different dimensions could include your product portfolio, strategic business unit portfolio, customer portfolio, market portfolio, and channel portfolio. Under each of these, you can create and manage your desired structures that fit into your management philosophy, making it an ideal strategic fit. Furthermore, all the variables in your business models such as net profit, operating expenses, revenues, etc. can also be included. This is the Business Modeling Dashboard. On the left you can see all business portfolios and the unit structure your corporate team has created for each of those. Click on the arrow of the main unit to expand and view sub-units under it. Click on a portfolio or any unit under a portfolio to view details of it. The first section you see is the dissemination of the achievement data Sankey chart. In the selection box on the chart, you can select which variable you want to view. In the chart you can see the dissemination of the achievement starting from the selected unit down to all sub-units under it along with the amounts. This gives you an idea of which units have contributed more and which units have contributed less with respect to the selected variable. This is the Compare Variances section. Here variances of the selected unit and all sub-units are shown for comparison. Variances in red color indicate adverse variances, whereas favorable variances are shown in green color. You can change the portfolio variable in the selection box in the chart. This is the Budget Actual and Variance section. This chart shows the budget versus actual achievements of the selected unit for the selected portfolio variable along with a variance for each month. The red color indicates achievement is lower than the budgets, whereas green indicates targets are being met. This is the Valuations section. In the drop-down list, you can select which portfolio variable you want to focus on. The table shows how the value has been brought from each unit, when, the target, actual, and the variance. You can search and filter the table according to your preference.